going to go on forever about policy,
Yeah,
but I
sure.
do
Please
want to
do.
ask you one other thing, which is that the Senate seems to be on the verge of doing something that hasn't been done
Hmm.
ever, maybe, which is the Kids Online Safety
Safety
Act.
Act.
And
Hmm.
I want to hear sort of whether you think, I mean, it seems like it's going to pass the Senate. The fate in the House
Hmm.
is uncertain, but what do you think of that? Is that going to happen? Is that significant?
No, it's never going to be
Um,
a law because the House isn't going to check it. So it doesn't really matter. I mean, we need some sort of safety act about kids. This is not the way I would necessarily go about it. I don't mind a little legislation. One of the initial problems with the legislation is that it gave states attorneys generals too much power here. Because if in states where they don't like gay people, they could say gay people are bad for children, right? It could really. I'm a gay person, but anybody, they could decide anything they want in these states. And so, you've got to sort of have a federal version of this. And I see some of it is good, some of it is problematic. What I might do is spend a lot more time on age gating. Should young people be able, we age gate a lot of things. Some of this stuff perhaps should be age gated. There should be stronger laws about child exploitation and maybe many more exceptions to Section 230 where people can do liability, where they can sue these companies if they have a case and they either win or lose based on the law. That I'm more comfortable with that. These sort of omnibus kind of safety rules, I think, are a little performative on some level, and they don't anticipate all the problems. I think there's a lot more surgical ways to deal with things like this. But they can't agree on lunch up there on the hill. So I'm not sure they haven't passed any substantive internet laws in, let me check now, forever. Never, never, ever. So I don't expect them to do so now.